Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Bhavna Devarwal and today we will discuss on multinational corporation. So let's start the video. So friends, what is multinational corporation? So the multinational company is known as a company with headquarters in one country and its branches or subsidiaries are spread across many countries. On the other hand, a multinational corporation is a company which operates in several countries and a considerable share of its total business is from foreign countries. For example, Coca-Cola Corporation has its headquarters in the USA and it has several branches in several countries. So after discussing multinational corporation, we will discuss its feature, its characteristics of multinational corporation. So the first feature is giant size. The asset and sales of a multinational are quite large. For example, the physical asset of international business machine is exceeds $8 billion. So the next feature is international operation. It's operate through a network of subsidiaries, branches, and affiliates in the host countries. For example, ITI has about 800 subsidiaries in more than 70 countries. So the next feature is centralized control. A MNC has its headquarters in the home country. It exercises control over all the branches and subsidiaries through an integrated structure. Next is oligopolistic power. MNCs has generally oligopolistic in nature. Due to their giant size, they occupy a dominant position in the market. Next is sophisticated technology. Generally, MNCs has its command advanced technology so as to provide world-class products and services. The next is multiple objectives to expand activities vertically. Next, to reduce cost of production by making use of cheap labors and lower transportation expenses in host countries. The next we will discuss on the forms of multinational corporation, which is first is franchising, second branch, third subsidiaries, fourth joint ventures, fifth and the last turnkey projects. After that we will discuss on the role of multinational corporation. So the benefit to host country: foreign capital, advanced technology, employment generation, foreign exchange, healthy competition, growth of domestic firms is all the benefits to host country. Now the benefits to home country. Home country can obtain raw material and labor at lower cost. Second, it can earn huge revenue by way of dividend, royalty, licensing fees, and etc. Third, it can increase domestic employment due to higher scale of operations. So friends, our next topic is Indian transnational companies. So what is Indian transnational companies? An Indian transnational company is a company which is incorporated in India and having subsidiary and affiliate in the foreign country. For example, Birla's Tatas have subsidiaries and joint venture abroad. So now let us take some characteristics of Indian transnational companies, which is a smaller size, narrow spirit, adopted technology and minority ownership. So फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर, लाइक्स एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.